This is a fitted sheet, and I will show you how to fold it. I can assure it's not a rocket science, and here how it goes. This sheet is made for 2 meters long mattress with 80 centimeters width. If you have bigger size sheet, fold it lengthwise more times. You want it to have approximately 65 centimeters width. And here you have it. Fitted sheet folded. Check. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. Also consider subscribing, as I will continue to show you the things from our home in Luxembourg and beyond. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.